The cerebellum is a central nervous system organ located directly behind the brainstem. It occupies therewith the posterior cranial fossa below the cerebellar tentorium. The cerebellum is attached to the brainstem by 3 pairs of cerebellar peduncles: the superior, the middle, and the inferior cerebellar peduncle. The cerebellum contributes primarily to balance and motor coordination. The concentric grooves that marks the surface of the cerebellum give it a multifoliated appearance. The cerebellum is divided into 3 main lobes: anterior, posterior, and a floccular-nodular lobe. These lobes are subdivided into 10 lobules by secondary grooves. The cerebellum contains a central region called the cerebellar vermis. And 3 deep cerebellar nuclei: dentate, interposed, and fastigi. The cerebellum shares many similarities with the brain. It has a peripheral cortex and deep nuclei that contain the cell bodies of neurons. It has 2 hemispheres, right and left, and several grooves delimiting lobes. The fissures of the cerebellum are deeper than those of the brain. This expands the surface of the cerebellar cortex to almost 75% of the cerebral cortex.